Do science fiction and all the cool tech stuff being released each day blow your mind? Do you dream of being one of the people behind these mind-blowing tech inventions? But then, such an aspiration seems just as pointless as reaching for the stars in the sky? Let me tell you a secret. You can create tech too! Wondering how? Well, let me introduce you to BuniTek, the community that will make this seemingly impossible aspiration of yours become totally achievable. BuniTek helps young people discover and explore their passion in technology and equips them for our increasingly tech-enabled future through bootcamps, student clubs, and online courses. Now, let me tell you more about our online courses. With BuniTek, you journey through tech-related courses such as coding, game development, web design, and more. All these courses, tailored to be more suitable for the African community, are hands-on and are designed such that you are able to solve real problems in your local community by the time of completion. Our courses are delivered through the Google Classroom platform, which is easy to use, accessible to all devices, and paperless. And after completion, students still have access to their courses and their resources for revision. Why choose BuniTek, you ask? At BuniTek, we encourage and create the environment for you to be as wild and creative as you wish to be. You get the chance to personalize your courses to meet your needs. The courses are much simplified and so are easy and fun to do. We have a diverse team of students and professionals from various fields of mathematics, engineering, and informatics to guide and support you with your studies. Support is provided in real time. Chats are also an available option. And most importantly, you get to study at your own convenience. Excited to begin your journey with us? Get in touch on any of these contacts or visit our website at buni.tech for more information.